welcome to my DIY channel. Subscribe by hitting the subscribe button. Don't forget to hit the bell, which will give you a notification when I upload my new videos. Here's the product that I'm going to make as a DIY project myself. Here's the board that I got from Home Depot. You will need one. Here is the spray paint that I got from Home Depot. A set of 4 wheels that I got from hardware store. Of course, you're going to need a mask and some gloves. Now, on the original photo that you saw, I used this board and I spray painted the front side and left the back side bare. So this is what it looks like once it's spray painted. And instead of using the little brackets underneath, I'm going to be actually putting in wheels. Now, you have an option to put the wheels anywhere you like inside of these holes. What I like about this is that these type of wheels fit very snug and they don't just pop out. But what I'm making here is a PC holder so it doesn't sit on the floor. What I like about this wood is that it does not heat up to the point that the PC can't breathe. You have breathing holes, so that therefore it keeps the ventilation of the heat down. So I really like that. And it's easy. It's an easy do. You have the option to use these type of wheels or other wheels that's suitable for the holes that fit snug, or you just pop through where you don't need maybe a screw at the top like a nut or bolt or something. But this works just fine for me. So I like the fact that these wheels could rotate in any direction. It makes it easier to move around on carpet or on the floor. So once you put the wheels in the hole inside of the hole that you desire, try to make it balanced and make it even so it can support the weight. Also, I have to show you what it looks like sideways so you know what to expect. This is what I have. The board is a little flimsy, but it'll do for now. But if you feel like the board is too flimsy in the center, then you can go ahead and add like a piece of wood underneath and tack it down. But this is what it looks like with my PC on top. It's an old PC and I'm using it to store. Thank you for watching. I'm Miko Williams. Subscribe. Bye.